Hey my fashion fiend babes, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show y'all how I got this look. The Pride Month glam. Y'all, I was supposed to do this way back in the beginning of June, but like I keep telling you, your girl been busy, so we got it at the end of June with 3 days to spare. So I used these neon loose powders. Sorry y'all if I keep looking down because I got my MacBook mirror in my iPhone, so I'm looking down there to see what I look like. I need to practice on looking at the camera, make eye contact with y'all. But I used these, which I got off of Amazon. I'll leave, that's not supposed to be right there. I'll leave the link in the description. I also used my Makeup Revolution London palettes. And I use my Morphe and James Charles palettes. You know, all the beautiful colors for the girls. But yeah, this is my Pride Month look. And if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Wait. Before y'all get to the part where I show y'all how I got this look, y'all, I just want to apologize in advance. I'm so mad right now. I literally just got done doing my makeup, and then I went in my gallery because I was thinking about, editing it and, posting it tonight. But y'all, guess what I did? I recorded the process of how I did my eyeshadow in time lapse. So what literally took me almost an hour and 30 minutes, literally recorded for 22 seconds. The whole process was 22 seconds. I used my editing app and I tried to, slow it down as best as I could, but y'all, I'm so disappointed. I am so mad because I feel like I just wasted my time. I recorded in time lapse and I have no idea how to slow it down. I done looked up everything. I done Googled it. I done YouTubed it. I just don't know. So I really need to put some content out. So I'm going to just show y'all. At least it's not a tutorial. It's not a tutorial. So, I mean, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. But just keep watching. Luckily, I did record how I do my eyebrows in slow motion. I mean, not slow motion, in regular speed. But when I got to, starting on my eyelids and doing my foundation and stuff, yeah. I'm gonna redeem myself next video, though. Just please, get the views up. It's still a Pride Month look. It's a look. If you know how to do makeup, you ain't even gotta watch how I did it. Just screenshot the look and do it. And tag me in y'all looks if y'all try this look. And happy Pride Month.
that you're giving me back.